So hi everybody. Today we're taking a look at the Jexylon digital camera. We'll go ahead, open it up, see what's inside the box. Then we'll go ahead and test it out, show you all the features that the camera has. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing today, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. Go ahead, it only takes 2 seconds and it's free. It's just a click away. Click subscribe, click that thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. You also, if you like what you're seeing, click on that thumbs up. Thank you very much. So Jexylon went ahead and they sent me this digital camera. Let's go ahead now, flip the box over so you can see some of the details that it has to offer. So the camera will go ahead and shoot in 5K Ultra HD. It has 80 megapixels image resolution, 18 times digital zoom, 2-point-inch, 270 degrees flip screen, which is really nice, has electronic image stabilization, and it will support an external microphone, which is really cool. So this way, if you're walking around, maybe you're blogging, you can hook up an external microphone and it will record. It's a great camera. Let's go ahead, open up the box. Once we take the cover off the box here, you can see how it is packaged. It is packaged really nice. This way it doesn't bounce around, so it protects the camera at all times. Let's take everything out of the box. Once we take everything out of the box, on the left-hand side, you do have the digital camera user manual. You have a VIP membership. You go ahead and you join it. Just make sure you do, because it gives you extended warranty on the camera. Then, of course, you have your quick startup guide, and we have a USB cable, USB-C. Right in the center, we do have our camera. Then right below, we do have a 32 gigabyte SD card. We have 2 batteries, and of course we have a strap, and to the right of that we have a nice little carrying case, so this way you can bring it wherever you want and it won't damage the lens or anything. So taking a look at the camera, the front of it, it does say 5K Ultra HD. To the right of that, 80.0 megapixels. In the center, 5-axis image stabilizer. Your f-stop is 1.8 to 3.95 millimeter. And then, of course, it says 5K Ultra HD also in the center. Looking at the bottom of the camera, you do have the area where you can screw it into a tripod or a selfie stick, whatever you want to use. And to the left of that is the opening, so this way you can put the battery and the SD card. Always make sure you charge your batteries before using the camera. Taking a look at the back of the camera, right in the center, this is your flip screen. To the right of that, you got your play button. You have your menu and your setup. You have trash, that way you can give everything. You have the button for display, and also the trash acts as a back button also. Taking a look at the top of the camera, left-hand side this year, you could go ahead and mount a flash if you like. In the center is a speaker. To the right of that is the button for the on and off. You do have to the right of that, then you press that button, that will record your video in 4K, 5K, whichever setting you would like to choose. Then you have your wide and telephoto lens button to zoom in or to zoom out. Now taking a look at the back of the camera again, here's the screen where you could go ahead, you could turn it, you could flip it around however you want, you could turn it all the way around. Then of course, if you like, you could flip it over and do it this way, so this way you can see what you are taking a picture of or filming. So now let's go ahead and go through some of the settings of the camera. You just want to press the middle button, and it comes right up where it shows you your photo resolution is 80 megapixels. If you want to change it, all you got to do is press the setting button again, and then scroll down, and you can change it to whatever megapixels you would like to go ahead and change it to. Now, the one thing that's also nice is all you got to do is click on the trash can. That's a return button. Click on that. Come on down to where it says exposure. Click on it. And you can check the exposure that you would like. Click back button again. You have your white balance. You have your filter. You can click the enter button. You do black and white. Scroll down. Choose what you want. Let's go ahead and go back. Take a look at some more settings. We come down. We got long exposure. You can do on, off, 1 second, 8 seconds. Set it to whatever you want. Come on down. Then you have photo burst. You could turn that on. You could do 3 shots, 7 shots, 15 shots. All you gotta do is hold down the button, and you know it's automatically go shoot, 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 shoot real fast. Take a lot of pictures. You have time lapse photo. Come on down. You have ISO. You have your quality. You can set it for high, medium, or low. Come on down again. And it brings us right back to where we started with the photo resolution. Let's go over to the right for the video. Right now, the video is showing 4K. Click that enter button. Here's where you could go, scroll up, click on it, enter button, and we just switched it over to 5K, which is really nice. Come on down. You got your exposure, white balance. You have your filters. You have image stabilization. I always like to keep that on, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Let's click the back button. Click enter again. Go back over. Come on down. I jumped out of the video by accident. You have loop recording, voice record on, which is good unless you're using a external microphone. So there you go. Let's turn it off. Let's go back. Now let's go into settings. You have your power frequency. You have AF mode. You have your language. Let's go ahead and click on that so you can see the language. Here's all the different types of languages that you could go ahead and use. We scroll through it. This way you can see it. Okay, so not bad. You have some different languages that you can use. Click that back button. And you can go and set the date and time, which is really good. Come back. Date and time, timestamp. You have your sounds. You have your shutter, beep, and mute all, of course. Screensaver. Came in every 3 minutes. Power save. You have your format, and of course you have reset. Come up here to format, click the button. And yes, you want to format. Make sure you format your SD card before you do use it. I'd like to thank Jexylon for go ahead and sending me this camera. This way I can show all the subscribers. There will be a link in my description down below if you'd like to go ahead and get yourself one of these cameras. And the picture quality and the video quality is excellent. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.